Let's move on to the next slide, which is the FTSE 100 movers and shakers.
Yes, some interesting news today. Rolls-Royce, so you'll remember last week, won the biggest contract they've ever had, announced a change at the top that's going to be effective in early July. And Warren East, who many people remember as the former chief executive of ARM, the chip maker, is coming in to take over at Rolls-Royce.
It's always great to see a stock move up as somebody's employed, because normally somebody gets canned and a market rallies, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, I suppose the previous CEO, I wasn't expected to leave. He was going out on a high on the back of that order, and Warren East obviously is a strong follower in this city, and you can, the price move tells you that people are pleased to see that he's going there. Not doing quite so well, however. One of Britain's largest retailers, Tesco, down 2% on the day, although having said that, they were up in the early.
They're up 2%, weren't they?
Well, they've had a bit of a swing around, and the reason for that sort of volatility is that the company's taken a £4.7 billion write-off on its property assets, part of a total £7 billion charge, which people are talking about as kitchen sinking the business. In the net was that they reported a £6.4 billion loss, one of the largest losses, one of the that's ever been in UK corporate history. I think that puts it in the top 5. That said, there has been some positive news for Tesco. Kantar are saying that they are amongst the best performing of the UK retailers. So difficult sector, but they're clearly taking the right action. It's not going to be easy from here, but it shows the determination with David Lewis and the management to get things right from Tesco.
Understood. And Ashtead Group?
Yep. Well, they're down on 3% because of their peer, United Rentals, in the States, cutting its 2015 earnings guidance. Ashtead, for those nearly down, is a plant hire firm. A lot of their business in the US. So when a US competitor guides lower, we take notice on this side of the Atlantic, and so they're down 3%.
Understood.